What is going on, guys? It is 6:20 in the morning. Had a lot of success the last morning session, so I have also been waking up pretty early, so I guess we're doing this now. We're at a dam. I haven't fished in quite some time. We're gonna try our luck. We're gonna aim for smallmouth bass, and then if we come up with anything else, awesome. Let's get it. Gonna be throwing this black grub today. Already got some people fishing over here. Right. I was waist deep for a second, and the current was pretty strong there. It's pretty chill over here, and if I remember correctly, there's a nice little pocket on the other side of that last pillar there in the middle. Ooh, there was a fish right there. It jumped right in front of me. Let's throw it right in the middle where I saw that fish. All right, that was a nice little bite. First little smallmouth of the day, little guy. Oh, got away from me. Oh, look at that. That's beautiful. The sun's coming out. Little ball of fire. See if I can get some footage of that real quick. All right. Sweet. He's a little bigger. Still small. Wet my hands for it. All right, fish number 2, send him home. Whoa. All right. Tighten my drag a little bit. Feels like a decent fish. Very nice, that is a decent fish. Lots of energy in this one. This is number 3. Very pretty. Whoa! Losing my footing. Cool. I continued to fish despite not catching anything and enjoyed the sunrise. Totally forgot to film an outro while I was at the dam. We ended up being on 3 fish, and the last one was the biggest. But it was okay. I thought it would be better. But I was only there for like an hour and a half, so can't really complain. It was decent fishing. Hope you enjoyed it. Really enjoyed seeing the sunrise. That was awesome. But yeah, stay tuned for more. Until next time, stay thick and juicy. Peace out.
Are you not entertained? Are you not entertained?
Push the
Is
button.
that why you are here?
What are you doing? Just play along. Come on, push the button.
Yeah, come on, push your button.